Hi everyone, now let's talk about Python dictionary clear method. In dictionary, we can use clear method to remove all the elements from dictionary data structure. So let us understand an example here. I'm just taking car equal to, you can say any values like brand, then key and then value here, Ford. Whatever you take, no problem. Now model you can say key and then value, Mustang. Then here what we need to understand, year equal to, or you can say year, one second. So year, then you can use any value 1964. So now what we need to do, or you can say if you want, you can say whether it is a dictionary or not. Print car, then you can say print type of car here. Then see, this is the dictionary here. Now when we use clear method, what will happen? Now if you want, you can take elements also, count of elements. You can say print of length of car. Now total elements will be 3 here. Now when we use clear method here, now let's see. Now what I am trying to take here, I am just taking whole example, then I am just taking dictionary dot clear method. Now again you take all the values. So when we execute, now what will happen? Previously before clear method the values will be like this and it will be 3, and after clear method it is removing all the elements from the dictionary data structure, then it is empty dictionary right now and elements will be 0. You make more meaningful also. Now let's see, total elements from dictionary data structure, then you can say, and same thing you copy here, then you can get to know clear picture. See here, total elements from dictionary is 3 before clear method, and after using clear method it is erasing all the elements and it is giving 0. Now when we are working here, when you want to pass values, if you are passing any value like brand in key as a parameter brand for the key clear method, then see clear takes no arguments. Clear method will not accept any type of value, any type of arguments. It should be empty to remove all the values from the data structure. So always it will be empty here. Even you can give any value, if you give like this, like 1 or 2, then see same error will come. So clear method must be empty when you are going to remove all the values from the dictionary. Let's see here, this is 0. So this is all about clear method. So make sure clear method does not accept any type of parameter. So it is mandatory to keep empty in clear method while you are going to delete all the elements from the data structure dictionary. So try from your side for to take 2 or 3 examples, then you can get clear picture. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.